Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you again. What I'm going to do in today's video, I'm going to promote ClickBank offers for free that will help you to make over $120 a day. It is very simple method. You can make up to $120 a day. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe right now and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below and share the video. I'll come out with videos daily where I will show you how to find a job online, how to make money online, how to start business online, or how to get a job online, how to make money online through apps. Now let's get right into the video. I'm gonna show you in today's video how to make $120 a day. The site is called Play Test Cloud. Here where you can go to play games for money really easily. This is a super simple way of making a little bit of money really quickly. You can make up to $120 a day. It's so easy and simple to use. I will show you exactly how you can earn money online, so watch this video. Now you can get this done, so make sure you watch it to the end. They are going to be a very quick video. So new caps, go onto this site for you to test for yourself, new developers and yourself to test how they can improve the game. Obviously give feedback to the developer on so a couple of really good things and you get paid for that privilege. You do it every single night. If you like playing games, you can do it on your phone and start earning money online. This is a really good way to make a little bit of extra money doing it. So you need to come here and sign up and take a look. It's extremely repeatable and easy site to use. That's what you want to do here. What you need to on the site to start earning money online, very repeatable. In a couple of minutes you can set up your playlist. Now depending on the people that have signed up here on the site for different games, they target the right audience. The more emails you will receive and obviously the more games you test, the more money you will earn. And like I say, you can make up over $120 a day. Very easy and simple to use. To start earning money online, it's a super simple, which is really simple to do. It's quick $9. So for testing those games, you get paid here. You can make so much money, and like I say, you can make up to $120 a day. So for testing those games, you get paid here. You can make so money. For testing games, all you need to do is playing games. Playing games is what you need to do here to start earning money. So you need here to click on become a tester on your right hand corner, and after that it takes you over here. Now you need to enter in your email address, and after that you need to sync out load. That's the end. Please don't forget to subscribe right now and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.